And today we are going to discuss the exercise. So here you will see that you have to just remember first these points. You have to remember these. We have done with these points as well previously. If you are not understanding these points, then you can see the previous lectures. You have to remember these points one by one. And here you have some important definitions like what is holozoic nutrition, what are omnivores, what is ingestion, what is digestion, what is mastication, and what are ruminant, what is rumination, what is assimilation, what is absorption. So you are aware of all the terms, so you just have to remember that what the terms are for now. So you have to remember one by one the all terms. Next, here you have the first section in which you have 4 options for one question, and you have to answer the question like with first one. Which of the following is also called the tearing teeth? That is incisor, canine, molar, or premolar. So you have to select the most priority, the one only single option. So here is the B section in which you have to just answer the question in single sentence, like name the type of carbohydrate digested only by ruminants. So you just have to name the carbohydrate that is digested by the ruminants. So you have to answer like name the body part that captures food in amoeba. So you just have to name the body part that captures the food in amoeba. So nothing else. You have to write the questions in just one sentence. And in the C section there are some questions in short questions, and in the D there are some long questions. So you have to read them, and then you have to answer them in your notebooks and then submit to me. Like you have to answer the short questions must be from 2 to 3 lines, and there must be just important point in this. Extra details or will be not considered. In detailed question you have to answer in detail. So here I have a project idea for you. Like you have to visit a doctor and find out the following, like what is the glucose drip and how it is administered, under what condition does the patient need to be on a drip of glucose, and how does a glucose drip help the patient recover. And the second is like ask your friend about the shedding of their milk teeth. Now tabulate your data in the following table. Like you have to you have to write the name of your friend, the age at which his first tooth fell off, and age at which his last tooth fell off, total number of teeth lost, and the total number of teeth replaced. So you have to do this project on white page, A4 pages, and then you have to make some binding on them, and then you have to submit it to me. Every project I'm assigning to you, you have to do that on white pages and make sure to bind them.